everyone, I'm Tracy Barnhart, the professional geologist here at Mini-Me Geology. Today I'm back again with another great Ask-a-Geologist question from one of our readers. Today's question is about igneous rocks. Peter wrote to us and asked, Scoria, pumice, and granite are all igneous rocks, but why do pumice and scoria have holes in them and granite does not? Well, Peter, that's actually a really good question. You are correct. Granite, pumice, and scoria are all igneous rocks and formed from volcanoes. The reason that the pumice and the scoria have air holes and the granite doesn't has to do with the way that they form. Granite is known as an intrusive igneous rock, which means that it forms underground. So if you imagine that there's a volcano and a big magma chamber, you might have cracks and stuff in the rocks surrounding that magma chamber. The magma injects into these areas, and it takes a long, long time for that magma to cool down. And that long time of cooling allows big grains to grow inside the granite. And so this is a piece of granite that I have here, and as you can see, you can easily see that there are different grains. There is black biotite micas. You can see some clear reflections, which is quartz, and then you can also see a lot of pink throughout the rock, and that is a pink feldspar. So if you easily see grain sizes in your igneous rock, you know that it is most likely an intrusive rock that cooled over a long period of time and had time to grow these pretty crystals. Now, the pumice and the scoria are known as extrusive igneous rocks. That means that they form outside the volcano after the volcano has erupted. So what will happen is the magma will erupt out of the volcano and you'll have a lava flow over the land surface. The top of these lava flows have a lot of air entrapped in them, so they're very frothy and foamy, and this is where these two rocks form. This is the pumice, the light colored one, and the scoria is the dark colored one, and they form from slightly different lava flows, which is why they look so different and have a few different properties. The pumice is always a very light colored rock. It has small air holes from when the air expands and escapes from that lava froth. And if you take the pumice and put it on water, it'll actually float. Now the scoria, it forms from a thinner lava flow than the pumice. It has larger air holes and it's actually a little bit heavier. And if you put the scoria in a glass of water, it'll actually sink. And it is always a nice dark red or a black color. That's a few ways that you can tell the difference in these two very, very similar rocks. I hope that answers some of your questions about igneous rock formation. Now, if you have questions about geology like Peter did, we would love to hear from you. You can send your questions to us at the Ask-a-Geologist section of our website or email them directly to me at rockinfo@minimegeology.com. We would love to hear from you in the comments below, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get all of our upcoming fabulous Ask-a-Geologist questions. Until next time, rock on, everyone.